Welcome to Cranders Roofing, your trusted roofing specialists in Kingwood TX. With our team's decades of combined experience, we are committed to delivering exceptional roofing services that ensure the safety, durability, and aesthetic appeal of your residential or commercial properties. At Cranders Roofing, we offer comprehensive solutions including new roof installations, timely repairs, and regular maintenance. We utilize only the highest quality materials and advanced technology to ensure every project is executed flawlessly and efficiently. We are a locally owned business, fully licensed and insured, understanding the unique challenges of the Kingwood climate. Our commitment to customer satisfaction and superior craftsmanship is evident from the glowing reviews from our clients, making us a top recommended roofing service in the area. Whether you're looking for roof installation, repair, replacement, or inspection, Cranders Roofing has you covered. Our specialized services are designed to cater to both new constructions and maintenance for existing roofs, ensuring all your roofing needs are met professionally. Ready to protect your investment with Kingwood's finest roofing experts? Contact Cranders Roofing today at 281-704-59994 for a free consultation and estimate. Choose Cranders Roofing and ensure your roof is in the best hands.